In today's dynamic and fast-paced world, managing projects effectively is no longer a luxury but a necessity for individuals, teams, and organizations of all sizes. Whether you're orchestrating a marketing campaign, developing a new product, planning an event, or managing a construction project, having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference between success and chaos. Among the plethora of project management platforms available, Smartsheet stands out as a versatile and powerful solution. But what exactly is Smartsheet? Often initially perceived as just a glorified spreadsheet, Smartsheet is far more than meets the eye. While it retains the familiar grid-based interface that many find intuitive, it layers on a robust suite of features and functionalities that transform it into a comprehensive work management and project execution platform. Think of it as the familiar comfort of a spreadsheet supercharged with the collaborative power of project management software, the visual clarity of Gantt charts and Kanban boards, and the automation capabilities to streamline workflows. At its core, Smartsheet provides a dynamic workspace where teams can plan, track, automate, and report on their work in real time. It allows users to organize tasks, assign responsibilities, set deadlines, track progress, and collaborate seamlessly, all within a centralized and easily accessible environment. This eliminates the need to juggle multiple spreadsheets, emails, and disparate communication channels, bringing clarity and efficiency to even the most complex projects. One of the key differentiators of Smartsheet lies in its flexibility. Unlike traditional project management software that often imposes rigid structures and workflows, Smartsheet offers a highly adaptable platform that can be customized to suit the unique needs of different teams and projects. Whether you prefer a simple task list, a detailed Gantt chart with dependencies, or a visual Kanban board to manage your workflow, Smartsheet can be configured to match your preferred methodology. This adaptability makes it a valuable tool across various industries and departments, from marketing and sales to IT, operations, and construction. Let's delve deeper into some of the core functionalities that solidify Smartsheet's position as a powerful project management platform. 1. Collaborative workspaces. Smartsheet allows you to create shared workspaces where teams can collaborate in real time. Multiple team members can simultaneously access and edit sheets, ensuring everyone is always working with the latest information. Features like comments, file attachments, and it mentions facilitate seamless communication and feedback directly within the context of the task or project. This fosters transparency and reduces the chances of miscommunication. 2. Task and project management. Beyond basic task listing, Smartsheet enables you to break down projects into manageable tasks and subtasks, assign owners, set start and due dates, define dependencies, and track progress against deadlines. You can visualize project timelines using Gantt charts, which provide a clear overview of the project schedule, critical paths, and potential bottlenecks. This visual representation is invaluable for keeping projects on track and identifying potential delays early on. 3. Different views for different needs. Recognizing that different team members and stakeholders may have different information needs, Smartsheet offers various views of your data. You can switch seamlessly between the familiar grid view, the visual clarity of a Gantt chart, the workflow-oriented Kanban board view, and the calendar-based calendar view. This flexibility ensures that everyone can access and understand project information in a format that suits them best. 4. Automation to streamline workflows. Smartsheet's automation capabilities are a game-changer for improving efficiency and reducing manual effort. You can set up automated workflows to trigger actions based on specific criteria, such as sending reminders for upcoming deadlines, updating task statuses, assigning tasks based on form submissions, or moving tasks between Kanban board columns. These automations free up valuable time and ensure that critical processes are executed consistently. 5. Reporting and analytics. Understanding project performance is crucial for making informed decisions. Smartsheet offers robust reporting and analytics features that allow you to create insightful dashboards and reports based on your project data. You can track key metrics, identify trends, and gain valuable insights into team performance, resource allocation, and project progress. These reports can be easily shared with stakeholders to provide clear and concise updates. 6. Forms for data collection. Smartsheet forms provide a simple and efficient way to collect data from both internal and external stakeholders. You can create custom forms to gather information for project requests, feedback surveys, issue tracking, and more. The submitted data is automatically populated into your Smartsheet, eliminating the need for manual data entry and ensuring data accuracy.